What's the difference between aloneness and loneliness? When we are lonely, we feel insecure. We feel people don't love us. Sometimes we feel we are not good enough. Sometimes we think that nobody cares for us, or they don't care the way I want them to care. So even though there may be many relationships, many people who love us, who care for us, yet we still feel lonely. We may have thousands of people following us. We may have lots of people who are our subscribers, yet we feel lonely. But when we are alone, we are secure. We have accepted ourselves as we are. We love ourselves as we are. We don't need approval of people. And we are able to go out and give love. We are able to serve. We don't wait for love. Aloneness is a most wonderful quality. With people, we are happy. Absence of people also, we are happy. There is no dependence. There is freedom. There is no desperation. So let's move out from loneliness into the state of aloneness. How beautiful is this bird which is walking alone. In life, we have to learn to walk alone. There is a great joy in aloneness. Spend some time with yourself. Experience what is aloneness. And I'm sure you will feel so happy that you will want it more and more. Don't be scared of being alone. Fear, in fact, arises out of duality. When there is only one, what fear should we have? Dvitiyad vai bhayam, the Upanishads say. Of course, there it means that when there is body identification, when we feel limited individualities, that is duality. When we see the whole world of plurality, then that is duality. And the state of absolute one truth is absolute fearlessness. Abhaya pratishtham vindate. But even from the relative standpoint, if we are alone, we have freedom. We can do what we want to. We can think what we want to think. We can make best use of our time. We can give, we can love, we can serve, we can learn, we can create, we can innovate. There are so many things that we can do in solitude. So do spend some time every day being just by yourself. Do spend me time every day and have a great time.